it's Jordan from jordanseasyentertaining.com and welcome to my Celebrate at Home series. Today I'm sharing with you how I put together a balloon arch for our backyard. So that was a whole lot of balloons. One thing I can't recommend enough when you are making a balloon arch is getting a balloon pump. It will save you so much time. So you can find this and everything else that you need to make a balloon garland at home over my blog post on jordanseasyentertaining.com. Make sure to come back for the rest of the series, and I hope you are staying safe. Bye!